we're going to explain how to align cells by color in Excel. This isn't a built-in feature, so we'll need a little workaround using VBA, Visual Basic for Applications, macro. First, you'll need to open the VBA editor. You can do this by pressing Alt plus F11. Once the editor is open, go to Insert Module. This is where we'll paste our code. 1. The code. Here's the VBA code you'll need to paste into the module. This code searches for cells with a specific color and then moves them to a specified location, aligning them together. Don't forget to adapt this code to your own needs by replacing the cell references in color index. The color index refers to the color number in Excel's color palette. You can find the index of a color by using the RGB function, or by simply recording a macro where you select the color. VBA subalign cells by color, dim use as worksheet dim I as long dim J, as long dim target color as long dim target, row as long dim target column as long, set the worksheet set and equals this workbook. Sheets, sheet 1. Change sheet 1 to your sheet name, set the color to align, e.g. red target, color equals 3. Change to your desired color index. Check the color index in Excel for correct number. Set the target row and column target row equal 10, starting row of destination. Change it accordingly. Target, column equal 5. Starting column of destination. Change accordingly. Loop through the cells for I equals 1 to W is used range. Rows. Count for J equals 1 to Y is used range. Columns. Count. Check if the cell's interior color matches the target color. If W is cells I, J, interior. Color index, equal target color. Then move the cell to the target location. WS.cells, target row, target column. Value is cells IJ. Value WS cells IJ, clear contents. Clear the original cell target, row ISHA target row, +1. Increment row for the next cell. End if next J, next I end. Sub 2. Adapting the code. Remember to change sheet 1 to the actual name of your worksheet and adjust target color, target row, and target column to match your needs. You'll need to find the correct color index for the color you want to align. For instance, if you want to align cells filled with red, you'll need to determine the color index for red in your Excel version. You can look up Excel's color index numbers online. 3. Running the macro. After you've pasted and adapted the code, press F5 or click the Run button in the VBA editor to execute the macro. This will move all cells with the specified color to the designated area. If you want to keep the original cells, remove the line WS cells IJ.clear contents. 4. Important considerations. This macro moves the values of the cells, not the formatting or formulas. If you need to preserve formatting, you'll need to adapt the code accordingly. This is more complex and might require additional code to copy formatting. Also, be mindful of potential overwriting. Ensure your target area is large enough to accommodate all the cells being moved. Always back up your data before running any VBA macros. Lastly, this is a simplified script, and more complex scenarios might require more advanced coding techniques.